CLM Cross June 25th update explain what's up adventurers. The June 25th update is finally here and it's one of the biggest updates we've seen in CLM Cross. This update brings a brand new World Boss mode, the powerful Heroic Orb system and lots of free 100-day anniversary rewards. Some players could earn thousands of sapphires every week, but only if they understand these new systems. So in this video, I'll quickly break down everything you need to know. Let's get started. Part 1 World Boss Preseason. The biggest addition is the new World Boss Preseason. The goal is simple: deal as much damage as possible to the boss. But here's the important part: your total damage from multiple runs does not count, only your highest damage from a single attempt is recorded. So if you do 5 runs, only your best score matters. This means you shouldn't waste your entries, save your attempts, prepare your buffs and go for your strongest run. You only get 5 entries per week, so every attempt is important. Another great feature is that the rankings are separated by class. Warriors compete with warriors, rangers with rangers and mages with mages. This makes the competition much fairer and top players can earn thousands of sapphires every week. Even if you are not at the top of the leaderboard, there are also cumulative damage rewards, so everyone has a reason to participate. The World Boss screen also shows the bosses, stats, resistances and your personal ranking, helping you improve your performance every week. Honestly, this looks like one of the best weekly activities added to the game. Part 2 The Heroic Orb. Next up is the brand new Heroic Orb system. This isn't just another piece of gear. It's a completely new progression system that uses your shield slot and gives your character a huge power boost. The Heroic Orb can be enhanced up to plus 15 and provides powerful stats like strike power, magic power, critical damage, critical accuracy. If you've noticed some players becoming much stronger after the update, Heroic Orb is probably the reason. However, don't expect to max it immediately. This is a long-term system that will take time and resources. To craft the Heroic Orb, you will need materials like advanced matte crystals, bluish crystals, magic crystals, bills, shiny minerals, ancient fragments. The hardest material to get is ancient fragments. They come from the Tower of the Sage, and you need to clear stage 10 or higher. Even then, you'll receive fragments that must be combined before crafting the final item. My advice: start farming these materials as soon as possible because demand is going to increase and market prices will likely rise. Part 3 100-day anniversary events. To celebrate the game's 100-day anniversary, several special events have been added. 7-day login event, special mission event, wishing coin event, food fighter event, fishing event. The best part is that most of these rewards can be earned simply by logging in and playing normally. This is fantastic for free-to-play players. Make sure you log in every day and don't miss any missions, because anniversary rewards are usually some of the best rewards in the game. Part 4 Limited time packages. For players who spend money, several new packages are also available, including Pet Pack, Costume Pack, Baby Food Pack, Protection Pack, Supreme Skill Enhancement Pack. Before buying anything, take a moment to compare the rewards and choose the package that actually helps your account the most. Final thoughts: overall, this is an excellent update. The World Boss brings exciting weekly competition and sapphire rewards. The Heroic Orb adds a powerful new progression system. And the 100-day anniversary events give everyone plenty of free rewards. Whether you're free to play or a spender, there's something valuable for every player in this update. Which feature are you most excited about? World Boss rankings, Heroic Orb system, or the 100-day anniversary events? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more CLM Cross guides and updates. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep grinding and I'll see you in the next adventure.